In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Photos. If you're trying to clean up your photo library, remove unwanted images, or just organize your albums a little better, Google Photos gives you a few different ways to do it. The important thing is knowing the difference between deleting a photo completely and simply removing it from an album, because those actions are not the same. Let's start with deleting a single photo. First, open Google Photos and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, find the photo you want to remove and click on it to open it. After that, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the trash or bin icon. Click that icon, and Google Photos will ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. That photo will then be moved out of your main library and sent to the trash. If you want to delete several photos at once, the process is also pretty simple. In Google Photos, move your cursor over a photo and click the check mark that appears. Then continue selecting all the other photos you want to remove. This is useful when you're clearing out duplicates, blurry shots, or old screenshots. Once you've selected everything, click the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Just like with a single photo, those selected images will be moved to the trash. Now, it's important to understand that deleting a photo does not always mean it disappears immediately forever. Deleted photos are moved to the trash, and they may stay there for up to 60 days before Google Photos removes them automatically. If you want to permanently delete them right away, click Trash in the left sidebar. Inside the Trash section, click Empty Trash, and then confirm that you want to permanently delete the items. After that, those photos are gone for good, so make sure you really want to remove them before confirming. There's also another option if your goal is only to remove a photo from an album without deleting it from your library. Open the album, select the photo, click the More menu shown as 3 vertical dots, and then choose Remove from Album. This takes the photo out of that album only. It will still remain safely stored in your Google Photos library. One final thing to keep in mind. If backup is enabled, deleting a photo in Google Photos may also delete it from synced devices and from your cloud library. Always read the confirmation message carefully before you delete anything. And that's how to delete photos from Google Photos.